What's up, y'all? It's your battle buddy, Bob. Where am I? I'm in the country of Indonesia. The city of Bali, or Ubud, or Unbud. And right now, I'm about to go into the Kanto, Lampo, Waterfall. So we're gonna do all the events they got in here. Also, I got with me is my brother, my blood brother from another mother, Robbie, from Live More and Live 24.
Live 24 hours.
Live 24 hours. So we're gonna be here all day, enjoying some sites, some different sites throughout Bali. We're gonna be doing some events. I just made it through in the Kanto, and I'm gonna show y'all what it's like in here. So, as you can see, they got music playing throughout the entire resort. And we going in together. There he is. That's my brother Robbie right there. You see him. And we're gonna do most of the stuff on this picture right here today. That's what you're gonna be seeing. We're gonna spend a couple hours here, get this footage for y'all.
Oh, this is 60-minute, Bob. Then on to the next one.
That's cool. Oh man. Hey, I also got a microphone for you too.
Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm. We're still here at the Kanto Waterfall. We're gonna catch up with my brother Robbie. He's younger and healthier than me, so I'm moving a little slow. Oh, whoo. I'm gonna stop right here and just repack real quick. All right, we still out here, y'all, at Kanto Waterfall. Hello, good morning. We know we gotta come back and see you. Look at them coconuts right there. You know I gotta get a cold one of those later on. And oh, by the way, what's up, y'all? It's your battle buddy, Bob. I'm at the Kanto Lampo Rayong. I'll show you what it looks like written. But we about to go in right now, and the ticket office is right there. And look at this. So, my brother Robbie, he's getting tickets. And while he's getting them, I'll show you the events they got over here today. We're going in. We're getting close. I can hear it.
You're going to have to watch your step on this, Bob.
Yep. I always believe real love is an action word. So just don't say you love. You gotta show with your actions. What are you doing for those you love? So what am I doing? I'm spending time in Indonesia with my brother Robbie. Getting quality time in, getting that family love, that brotherly love, and giving my heart so much joy. So this is what we're doing. We're gonna experience adventure of life together. We're going traveling, we're doing it, we're doing it. It's all about that love, y'all. Oh, you got me looking sexy today. I said, look at my kids, like that plane. On in. It's a nice thing. I just finished a waterfall hiking tour. Whew. And it was really nice. Brother Robbie, he's with me. And you gotta hydrate when you do these physical events. And the best hydration is fruit, believe it or not. Now, it's better than water, fruit. And I got me another coconut. Y'all know I always get a coconut and all these adventures I do. It's the best hydration. So let's work our way towards the exit. I ain't gonna lie, it was difficult because it's a lot of steps. I ain't show y'all the steps. But, 3 points of contact, especially on the waterfall, slippery surfaces. I made it down, had to take a lot of breaks. It's a workout. I was just telling them that. But look, ain't no excuse. Everybody out here.
We out here.
I mean everybody. Young, old, and indifferent.
This way to the top.
Okay. All right. Oh, we gotta go that way. Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't taking no back routes. Get rid of that coconut. It's holding you back.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it to nature once I finish it out. You don't throw coconuts in the trash. Over here, you give it back to nature.
Thank you.
So we about to roll out and hit another adventure. We got the driver waiting on us. Woo! So hope y'all enjoying all this footage. And hit me up in the comment section. Let me know. I do some lessons learned with you. Let me know. Give me some lessons learned. What y'all think about these videos, what I'm doing, what you want to see more of, what you want to see less of. I'd like to hear your opinions in the comment section. So we gotta go. Hit y'all up another time. It's your battle buddy Bob. Peace.
All right, Bob, let me grab that book back from me. Let's get on up out of here.